Hey guys, it's me. It's me, the Roblox Assassin, and today I'm not doing any video games. I'm going to be flying that helicopter. This helicopter right here. As you see, as you can see, the this is glued because my dad broke it and then I broke it, so there's double reinforced glue. And the cool thing is, it lights up. Yeah. So I'm gonna be filming this. You guys are gonna be going right here. Well, you can see. So you guys can see my face, and I can see when I'm recording and all that. So let's get started. Oh yeah, the remote is this. Yeah. Whoever has this guy, this helicopter in the comments, whoever has it at their house or anything, tell the comments down below, see how good you fly it, or just email me mostly. Put down in the comments below, or just like put a video up for me to see that you can actually fly it, because yeah, I'm horrible. I gotta keep an eye on him. Caught it. Talents that I have. Let's put it right there. Oh, jeez. Push. With talent comes some good people. Now, well, if you guys have this model, comment down below. And if you're a YouTuber and you have it and you haven't flied it, well, just do it. It's really fun. All that. I want to see. Oops. Well, that. Okay. Well, guys. Well, guys. Well, guys, see you later. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. Well, see you guys. I failed. Come on. I gotta land it in. I gotta catch it in my hand for you guys last. Okay. If you guys want me to go. Well, see you guys later. Bye. Well, see you guys later. Bye. Ugh. I won't get this until I do it. Well, see you guys later. Bye.